Down there, they're down there. There's one there.
So what, they couldn't nick a sniper, maybe. Tom! Tom, man, come here, come here, come here. Come here. Where did you even sniper?
Shit.
So I've got another mag. Put a mag in your pocket, Tom.
Is it loaded as well?
Yeah. Hopefully, anyway. I don't know whether there's any gas. I'm sure I've got gas in it.
I see a zombie. Oh no.
Where?
No, I don't.
Hey guys, get down here. Let's get a few shots in there and we're all dead.
What, did that have gun?
Yeah.
Got him, got him. One down there as well, look,
The
look.
zombie don't get hit.
Get him, come on. Keep on firing, keep on firing.
Hey, zombies don't die like that. The only way they stop is by pain.
By what? Shit, look at that.
Quite near us.
No, it's proper stick for a second.
Gonna throw it? Yeah, lob it back.
I'll lob it back. No, it's leave it there, it's fine. It gives us cover. Doesn't it? So once I've been shot, what do I do? I just shoot all of you lot?
Get the smoke on, get the smoke. No, Tom, look.
No,
When you've been hit, you just go up.
When you've been hit, you become a zombie.
Yeah, so I have to go out there, do I?
So you have to go out there.
I don't know. I see, right.
Oh shit, they're looking at us.
Okay, you've got one walking off to the left. Shit.
Oh, fuck. There is for the auto. Well, you're allowed for the auto. Got him.
Move up, move up, move up, move up. One up, one up, one up.
Smoke there. Wait, lob it, lob it.
Lob it, lob it. Pull it back, pull it back.
Can you
pull
lob
it?
it? Oh, fuck.
I'm hit. Do I go over there?
Yeah, go.
Oh!
Where?
Hit!
Oh, I'm still alive.
Where?
Right. Michael! Damn, I'm walking in line on fire.
Hit! Hey Tom,
Yeah?
we can stay in all the time, can't we? could be a hit.
Anyone want to tag him? I thought zombies were only semi-auto. I thought that as well, but everyone keeps shooting full auto, so what we doing then? No, we're single. We're single?
We're single.
We're full auto.